Good day, we are Group 8, and in this video, we will presenting our system analysis for CAPS-TAPC through this causal loop diagram. Dito, malalaman natin yung impact ng system pattern and kung paano naapektuhan yung cause and effect relationships to one another. This diagram identifies two forces influencing how the system grows and adapts. Yung isa sa two forces natin, yung reinforcing loops, ay yung may R1, R2, and R3. These reinforcing loops consistently improve system effectiveness, leading to customer loyalty. Yung pangalawa, yung balancing loops, ay yung may B1, B2, and B3. This balancing loops keeps the system steady by fixing problems and maintaining stable operations. Our goal is to help CAPS-TAPC grow by building on its strengths and fixing its weak spots through smart systems.
Let's look at the reinforcing loops, the engine of growth which all have positive feedback. This this shows a quick positive cycle. Better customer satisfaction help improve service efficiency, which then brings even more customer satisfaction. It's a simple positive feedback loop that grows when staff are well prepared, well appreciated. Nakakatulong yung service efficiency sa customer satisfaction. For the ambience and customer loyalty supports the ambience. When loyal customers bring profits, the restaurant can spend more on ambience, leading to more loyalty. This means the atmosphere is a valuable long-term asset, not just a one-time expense.
This three variable loop is the core of the business. Customer loyalty fuels investment in product quality, using fresh ingredients, ensuring the food is freshly cooked, and that high quality leads back to customer loyalty and customer satisfaction. If the food is quality falters, this entire engine stalls.
Correcting operation B1 and B2. B1, service delay plus customer dissatisfaction. Nadagdagan yung customer satisfaction dahil sa service delay. Optimized kitchen workflow, negative service delay. So, nababawasan ng optimized kitchen workflow yung service delay. B2, lack of incentives plus reduce repeat visit. Dahil sa lack of incentive, pwede madagdagan yung reduce repeat visits. The incentive program, this loop prevents the restaurant from losing valuable loyal customer. B1, the service delay correction loop. This correction process pushes the system back to its goals of fast, stable service. B2, the incentive program loop. This loop prevents the restaurant from losing valuable loyal customer.
In B3, this is the inventory control loop. This loop corrects out of stock issue and product unavailability leads to customer frustration. And itong frustration na to, nagsisignal siya na kailangan ng mag-set up ng real-time inventory system. And this system can fix then dramatically improves product availability. And this B loops ensures the foundational premise of the menu is always kept. So in summary, the success of CAPS-TAPC is a function of managing this feedback loop. We must amplify the R loop by continuously investing in product quality and ambience. So we must strengthen the B loops, particularly the B3, by investing in systematic fixes like inventory software, not just temporary patches. And the goal is to make the corrective action automatic, allowing the R loops to drive sustained, profitable growth. And that's all our presentation. Thank you for listening.